linkers. So you want to upgrade those bombs, get those bombs up to 60, just like you got your magic powder up to. Well, this is the area that you do it. So this is the very bottom south of the map, pretty close to the bay. So if you just did the 4th dungeon, you're pretty much right there. Go into this water. Be careful. Don't be careful not to miss this heart that's just sitting right there. Like I almost did. I just walked and I noticed that last second. And just past these little fishy boys here is the that little bad boy that will give you more bombs. You know, and they'll to your horrible fate. More bombs for you. What a fate. Anyways, you're gonna go through this little bit of grass here, and it's down the stairs, and there he is, the Bat Boy. He's gonna give you more bombs, and you should feel sorry about it. Anyways, I don't know why I'm rambling on. If this video helped you, please like it, and please remember to not subscribe to me.